So 0.26 plus something equals 1. One way to answer this is to count on from 0.26. So as we have tenths and hundredths, let's first think how many we need to count on to get to the next tenth. That's 0.04. And then once we're at 0.03, how many tenths do we need to get to 1? That's 7 tenths, or 0.7. So altogether, we counted on 0.7 and 0.04. So that's 0.74 altogether. And you might have spotted that working this out is similar to working out what you need to add to 26 to get to 100. That's because you start with 26 hundredths, and 1 is the same as 100 hundredths, so you need 74 more hundredths. So 0.79 plus what is 1? To get to 0.8, we need 0.01 more, and then to get from 0.8 to 1, we need 0.2. So that's 0.21 altogether, which means that 0.79 plus 0.21 is 1, just the same as 79 plus 21 is 100. Now we have 0.124 plus something equals 1. Because we have a number with thousandths, let's first think about what we need to get to the next hundredth. We need 0.006 to get to 0.13. Then we can work out what we need to get from 0.13 to the next tenth, so to 0.2. We need 0.07. Then from 0.2, we need another 0.8 to get to 1. So altogether, that's 0.8, 0.07, and 0.006, which comes to 0.876. And again, you might have noticed that working this out is similar to working out what you need to add to 124 to make 1,000. That's because you start with 124 thousandths, and 1 is the same as 1,000 thousandths. So you need another 876 thousandths to reach it. So what do you need to add to 0.492 to make 1? Well, here the next hundredth is also the next tenth. So we can work out what we need to add to make 0.5. We need 0.008. Then from 0.5, we need another 0.5 to make 1. So we counted on 5 tenths and 8 thousandths, but we didn't count any hundredths, which is why we have 0.508.